Hi, my name is Samantha Tab, and this is my intro video for EDL 955 District Facilities. Again, my name is Samantha Tab. A little bit about myself. I have a son named Peyton who is 6 and he is currently in kindergarten. And then I have Kendall who is 10 and she is currently in 4th grade. We also have a Great Dane named Jameson who is 6. He's going to turn 7 next month and he is literally the light of our lives. We love him so much. Professionally, I graduated from Missouri State University in 2014, where I moved to Fort Riley, Kansas right after graduation. I was a guest teacher in that district for 1 school year, and then I became a kindergarten teacher for 2 years. After that, moved to Colorado Springs, Colorado, where I started my master's at Fort Hays State University. Unlike everyone else, I don't have my master's yet. I am the most inexperienced one in the class of the videos that I've watched so far, but I'm so excited to learn from you. So after moving to Colorado Springs, Colorado, I taught 1st grade for 2 years. And then this last school year, starting in August through December, I was the K-1 e-learning teacher online because of hashtag COVID-19. And then in December, I decided to make the move for my family to move back home to St. Louis, Missouri, mid-year, big move. I'm still deciding if it was a good choice, but so far, so good. But now I got hired on as a 1st and 4th grade reading teacher at Forder Elementary in the Melville School District. And then a couple days before I was supposed to start, they said, actually, whoop, we are going to move you to 4th grade where you are going to have your own classroom. So it is good. I literally love 4th grade. I honestly think that it's where I'm supposed to be for a while. But it is a big jump from 1st grade. So we're all learning together, and I'm learning a whole new school district, a whole new school, mid-year, minimal training with the district. So it's been a wild ride, but I am enjoying it so far, and I love being closer to family. What I like to do, I love sports. I like the St. Louis Blues. I like the Chiefs. I live in St. Louis, but I am a Royals fan. Um, I love snowboarding, anything outside, anything that has to do with patios and friends and barbecuing outside and movies. And I just love hanging out with my friends. All right, my concept of this class is that we're going to learn more about our buildings. We're going to learn how they run. We're going to learn how to run them. We're going to be able to tell like where the problem lies and possibly how to fix the problem. We're definitely going to be learning from each other about our experiences, which is always my favorite part of any class is just learning from other people. And then also we will be learning about safety and maintenance. So that's my concept of the class. And I know I'm going to get so much out of it because I am a little bit inexperienced when it comes to that, as I've only been a classroom teacher, but I am excited to learn. My experiences with building maintenance are minimal. I know that buildings need to be maintained. How they do that, I don't know yet, but I know I'm going to find out. School safety, I know that I follow our school safety plans. I've been in plenty different buildings where we do, like some of them have done Alice, some of them haven't really had a school safety, like what you're supposed to do if you have an intruder. Then I've had lockdown, lockout drills. I feel like the fact that I've been able to move to different states and learn different things in different buildings will be able to build upon my experience of what I learned in this class. Transportation, I have ridden a bus on a field trip. I don't know anything about how people set up transportation or what that looks like on the district level. Janitorial staff, I do know that I love all the janitors, and I know that they are the backbone of the building. If you want something, you need to make sure that you are taking care of your janitors. I just know that they do a lot, and I know a lot goes into their job, and I'm not even going to act like I know what they do day in and day out and the struggles that they have, but I'm excited to learn about that too, just so I can get to know them a little bit better too. Grounds, zero experience on grounds. I know that people come and mow the lawn when they need to, and if the grounds look dirty, I take my class out for some community service where we pick up the trash so that it can help our janitors focus on other things. And I also think it promotes responsibility in my students. to pick up after other people and pick up after themselves. So as far as my experiences go with anything that we're probably going to talk about in this class, it's minimal. But again, I'm down here, so that means I get to learn and learn and learn and learn and learn. So I'm really excited about that. And I do know that at our school we have Prop S for Ford Elementary, and we vote on it on April 6th. And what that money is going to go towards is a better secured entrance and outdoor lighting, and then heating and ventilation and cooling replacement that is already scheduled for this summer. But I'm really excited about that, and I hope it passes, and I'm sure a lot goes into this, and that is it. That's all I have. So thank you for watching my video. I'm excited to learn from you, with you. Let's do this. I'm excited.